Hi friends, welcome back to the another video tutorial from TI Lectures. Today our topic of discussion will be why heart attacks, especially in the young generation. I have divided this topic into different sections. We will discuss each section in detail one by one. First, we'll see what is heart. As we all know that this heart is an important organ of the body, right? This heart, it's a kind of pump which usually beats about 60 to 100 times per minute. With each beat, the heart sends blood throughout our body. Why? Because जब ये पूरी बॉडी को ब्लड सप्लाई करता है and it carries oxygen to every cell of the body. After delivering the oxygen to the this blood, after delivering oxygen to every cell of the body, the blood returns back to the heart, and then heart sends the blood to the lungs to pick up more and more oxygen. और इस तरह से this is a kind of cardiac cycle which goes on. Got it? Now the second section is heart attack and its causes. As we know that this heart attack, this is considered as the world's biggest killer, right? We know our heart needs oxygen supply to survive, like the rest of the body organs. जो हमारी बॉडी में different organs present हैं, जैसे लंग्स हैं, जैसे किडनी है, या और कोई ऑर्गन हमारी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है, इसी तरह जो हार्ट है, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गन. जिस तरह बाकी बॉडी ऑर्गन्स को हमें ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई चाहिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है, और न्यूट्रेंट्स की सप्लाई बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसी तरह हार्ट को भी ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बहुत ज़रूरी है और न्यूट्रेंट्स की सप्लाई बहुत ज़रूरी है, राइट? और जो आर्टरीज हार्ट को ब्लड सप्लाई करती हैं, दोज आर्टरीज आर कॉल्ड एज कोरोनरी आर्टरीज. रिमेंबर दिस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दोज आर्टरीज आर कॉल्ड एज coronary arteries. Coronary arteries are those arteries which supply blood to the heart. Sometimes what happen, due to the deposition of fat, due to the deposition of cholesterol, bad fat, due to the deposition of calcium or any other harmful substance, उससे क्या होता है, जब वो डिपॉजिट होते हैं इस coronary artery में, they form a structure that's known as plaque. They form a structure that's known as plaque. What is plaque? Plaque is a deposition of fat, it's a deposition of cholesterol, and it's maybe the deposition of calcium and other substances. जब वो बन जाते हैं this coronary artery में, वो coronary artery को ब्लॉक करते हैं, and that process is known as atherosclerosis. That process is known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, right? We know that if we recall this point, that heart needs an oxygen supply, और उसको oxygen supply कौन करता है? उसको special arteries supply करते हैं. Those arteries are known as coronary arteries. Or sometimes what happen, the coronary arteries get blocked by the deposition of fat, by the deposition of cholesterol, by the deposition of calcium or other substances that together are called as plaque. And formation of this plaque is known as atherosclerosis. Got my point? Right? When this plaque within this coronary artery of heart breaks, a blood clot is formed. That blood clot is known as coronary thrombosis, and that coronary thrombosis blocks the blood supply to the heart muscle. You got my point? After the condition of atherosclerosis, now what will happen? जो coronary artery हैं, they get blocked, and this blockage is formed by this plaque. That condition is known as atherosclerosis, and sometimes this plaque breaks down, and after breaks down the blood clot is formed. That condition is known as coronary thrombosis. And this the blood clot, what happens, this blocks the blood supply to the muscles of the heart, and the heart muscle is starved for oxygen and nutrients. और जब ये पूरा प्रोसेस होता है ना, व्हाट विल हैपन, जो ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हार्ट को चाहिए, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हार्ट को चाहिए, ऑप्टिमम अमाउंट में वो नहीं पहुंचते हैं, क्योंकि जो आर्टरीज उनको सप्लाई करती है ऑक्सीजन एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स, दोज आर्टरीज गेट ब्लॉक्ड एंड दोज आर्टरीज आर कॉल्ड एज कोरोनरी आर्टरीज. You got my point? Now, this condition of decreased blood flow to the part of the heart is known as cardiac ischemia. Right? When damage or death of the part of a heart muscle occurs as a result of ischemia, it's called as heart attack, which is our main focus today, heart attack. Now, in simple words, we can say that when coronary arteries get blocked by the deposition of fat, by the deposition of calcium, by the deposition of cholesterol or any other substance, there is a decreased blood flow, there is a decreased oxygen supply or nutrient supply to the muscles of the heart, and for that reason, जो heart की muscles हैं, they get damaged or they die. And this condition is known as heart attack, or in medical term we call it myocardial infarction. Right? Remember this, very important, and we call it by another name, myocardial infarction. So heart attack is also called as myocardial infarction. Now, if we see the risk factors which increase the chances of heart attack, there are different risk factors. The most important we will discuss here: smoking, the main contributing agent of the heart attack; the high fat diet, that means high content of fat in our diet; the diabetic patients, or high cholesterol level, high blood pressure, what we call as hypertension, or we must say being overweight or obese. These are also the worst risk factors which lead to the blockage of coronary arteries and thus lead to the heart attacks. So smoking, high fat diet, diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, being overweight or obese, these are the worst risk factors which increase the chances of the heart attack. How? By blocking the coronary arteries. And what are coronary arteries? These are those arteries which supply blood, that means oxygen and nutrients, to the heart. Got my point? Now we'll move to the another important section here, that is the heart attack in young generation. The heart attack in young generation. We are now seeing heart attacks occurring in young generation, occurring in especially in young men. For the last several decades, if we see, aging was considered, or aging has been established as one of the biggest risk factor for heart attacks. If we see 10 years back, 20 years back, or 30 years back, or 40 years back, उस टाइम क्या माना जाता था? जो एजिंग was most contributing factor for heart attacks. But if we see typically nowadays that the men, people in their 20s, people in their 30s and in 40s are more often falling victim to this cardiovascular disease, what's known as heart attack. There are several reasons associated with it. बहुत सारे reason इसके साथ associate है. We'll discuss some important ones, like the eating habits, the changing or sedentary lifestyle. हमारे खाने पीने का ढंग, हमारे खाने पीने का टाइम, तौर तरीका, जो हमारा रहन सहन है, changing lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle. These are one of the most important reasons associated. Or if we see, there has been a kind of shift in the people's day-to-day life. That means preferring too much junk foods, or not enough cardio, no physical activity. If we talk of jobs, those jobs nowadays are sedentary and requires less physical activity than in the past decades. These are the important factors. Not having more physical activity, avoiding, preferring more junk foods in comparison to heart healthy foods, not enough cardio, sedentary lifestyle, and all these bad habits, these if we see nowadays, these are starting in early childhood, and these things needs to be called out as early as possible to sort prevention and modification. Got my point? और एक बात आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड हियर दैट जो कोविड-19 रिकवर्ड पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनमें ज़्यादा आफ्टर रिकवरी उनमें ज़्यादा हार्ट कॉम्प्लिकेशंस की प्रॉब्लम देखी गई है, because some scientists have declared this COVID-19, some scientists have declared as also a vascular disease. That means एक तो ये lungs को affect करती है, it will affect the cells of lungs, and also in spite of that it also affects the cells of the heart. That's why जो COVID-19 recovered patients होते हैं उनमें भी ज़्यादा heart complications पाई जाती हैं after the recovery. You got my point? That's very important. And one more thing, if we talk of the youth in Kashmir, especially आज अगर हम देखते हैं जो हार्ट अटैक्स होते हैं, जो हार्ट अटैक्स के इंसिडेंट्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Why? Because if we talk about the youth in Kashmir, the restlessness, the unstable life, the mental stress, agony, anxiety, distress, how due to the sense of insecurity, due to the unstable life, due to the lack of opportunities, and the most important, the unemployment, because these are one of the worst risk factors leading to the heart attacks, right? So this was the third section, that heart attacks in young generation, right? In the second part of this lecture, we'll be discussing about the fourth section, that is symptoms and prevention, and subsequently we'll discuss the foods that reduce the risk of heart diseases and foods that increase the risk of heart disease. That means we'll discuss how foods we should prefer and what kind of foods we should avoid. Thank you very much.